Welcome to Best for Your Buck. Today we're going to be talking about the best DSLR cameras available on the market for 2020. There are a lot of factors that go into picking out the best DSLR camera, from the price to the image quality to the lenses that are compatible to how professional the overall kit is. You have to do your research. So whether you'd like an entry-level camera or something for a more seasoned photographer, we've got you covered. We'll be breaking down some of our favorite DSLR cameras currently on the market and going over the features that make them valuable picks. We created this list using our research and personal opinions. We ranked these products based on a number of important variables, including quality, price, and performance. If you're interested in purchasing one of these products, please check out the description of this video or the comment we have pinned below, where you'll find links to each product. And if you're interested in more high-quality product reviews, please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And let us know in the comments section which of our picks is the best DSLR camera. Starting off with the Pentax K1 Mark II. Most people are quick to forget that Nikon and Canon aren't the only DSLR cameras on the market. Pentax actually has got some truly underrated cameras, and the Pentax K1 Mark II is a great example. As one of the pioneers of in-body stabilization, this DSLR camera has a pre-installed shake reduction 2 system that works beyond preventing camera shake. Although it possesses considerably less autofocus points, a 33-point autofocus system, compared to its competition, it's still one of the best DSLR cameras out there. The Pentax K1 Mark II is a weather-friendly, rugged full-time camera that has a 36MP stabilized sensor. Compared to the previous K1 model, the Pentax K1 Mark II features a handheld pixel shift mode. This feature enables it to stack 4-in-1 photos, creating a more detailed resolution file. It also features a big optical viewfinder and external lighting for better shooting in the dark environments. This camera boasts of an impressive maximum ISO sensitivity of 819,000. However, to reduce the noise level, we don't recommend such high ISO sensitivity. The K1 Mark II's Auto ISO implementation also allows shooters to specify the maximum ISO. Based on your selected focal length, the camera will adjust to a shutter speed rate, slow, standard, or fast. It has many lovely features, such as Astro Tracer mode for night sky photography, built-in GPS, sensor shift technology, and external lighting, LED lights. Overall, the Pentax K1 Mark II is a great DSLR camera for beginner photographers who want to specialize in landscape and adventure photography. Next up, we have the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. If you're looking for a DSLR camera with superb image quality, then this is the one for you. This camera offers great live view autofocus and is one of the best DSLRs for professional photographers out there. While the Mark II model was a pace setter in DSLR filmmaking, the Canon 5D Mark IV is the first in this series to offer 4K video. This Canon camera is also the first in the 5D series models to have features such as Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity to make it easier to transfer images. It also includes built-in GPS for geotagging photos. Even in dim light, we found the camera has good focus, thanks to its 61-point viewfinder autofocus system. And that's not all. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV uses the latest generation sensor technology with on-chip digital to analog conversion. This makes it deliver improved noise performance and a much more extensive dynamic range. The 5D Mark IV features an external microphone, headphone ports, HDMI mini out, and USB 3.0 terminals. This camera has a maximum ISO setting of 32,000 and can shoot continuously at 7 frames per second. It also uses dual card slots, one SD and one compact flash, while accepting fast UDMA 7 cards. Equipped with dual pixel RAW technology, photographers are able to adjust the object's maximum sharpness for better image quality. So whether you're in the studio or on the move, its 30MP full-frame sensor provides great image quality with adequate resolution. From taking snapshots of landscapes to sports and wildlife, the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV will perform well for any type of shot. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is a worthy investment for professional photographers. Next on our list is the Nikon D3500. If you're looking to start your photography journey with a beginner-friendly DSLR, then the Nikon D3500 ticks all the essential boxes. It combines intuitive features, pocket-friendly price, and a remarkable battery life to create a compelling alternative to its competition. And this Nikon DSLR isn't just ideal for beginners, it is also compact, making it a great travel companion for your next vacation. With its great battery life, you can be on the road for days, taking over 1,500 shots of beautiful sceneries. The D3500 blends its compact size and outstanding ergonomics with a solid performance that is hard to find in most compact cameras. Although it is compact, the Nikon D3500 still fills the 24MP APS-C sensor that is common with most entry-level DSLRs. This APS-C sensor also offers a much improved image quality, as it doesn't include an optical low-pass filter present in the previous models. You also enjoy the added benefit of changing lenses to match your subject or photography style. It's a great purchase for newbie photographers with its simple control scheme. Overall, the Nikon D3500 is solid proof that affordable doesn't mean low quality. The controls are designed to be beginner-friendly, and in the right hands, it can deliver as much value as many more expensive DSLR cameras. So, if you're looking to become a creative photographer, this camera offers great value. Moving on to the Nikon D850. Although the Nikon D850 isn't the cheapest camera, this rugged, water-resistant DSLR offers great image quality and lots of amazing features to compensate for its price. It has a full-frame 45MP sensor, which is a very high resolution for any DSLR, and has a 7 frame per second burst mode. Whenever you don't need to shoot at full resolution, you can reduce the size to either 25.6MP or 11.4MP. This would record either RAW or JPEG files. News and sports photographers would find this feature useful, as they can quickly transmit images to picture desks. Another amazing feature of the D850 is its 19.4MP DX crop mode, with a viewfinder perimeter that can grant a view that is equivalent to an APS-C format DSLR. It is also designed with a large and bright 0.75 times optical viewfinder, and it can take shots of large and detailed images. Landscape photographers would also love that it has a low 1 setting equivalent to a sensitivity of ISO 32. This camera features a tilt angle and a 3.2-inch touchscreen that offers greater touch control. The touch control enables you to navigate the menus with ease, while also pressing the shutter button, touching to focus, and reviewing your images. With the D850, you can shoot 4K UHD video in FX format without sensor cropping at up to 30p. This allows you to explore the field of view of your lenses. You also have access to the lower resolution video modes and full HD video footage in 60p. Unlike most DSLRs that use compact flash card slots, the D850 features an XQD slot, and the SD card slot can support cards up to UHS-2. It also features SnapBridge connectivity for wireless transfer of images. This establishes a low-energy Bluetooth connection between the D850 and your smart device. However, it doesn't support image transfers of 45.4MP files. If you want speedier Wi-Fi transfers, browse and select your preferred images through the app. Whatever the event may be, the Nikon D850 is up to the task. So if you're a professional photographer looking for a top-performance DSLR, then you need to consider this camera. Finally, we have the Canon EOS 90D digital SLR camera. Canon is known for its quality performance video cameras, and the Canon EOS 90D DSLR doesn't fall short. With an articulating touchscreen that flips out 180 degrees, this camera is ergonomically designed. Unlike older Canon DSLR models that shoot 4K resolution, the 90D offers crop-free 4K video. What this means for DSLR lovers is that their field of view doesn't change between still and video modes, or when switching between 1080p and 4K resolutions. Canon 90D features a 32.5 megapixel sensor, making it the highest resolution of crop sensor cameras, with a burst rate of 10 frames per second. This camera is action-packed. It also has an excellent 45-point autofocus and photo performance that is almost equivalent to top-tier APS-C sensors. In terms of battery performance, the 90D can take about 1,300 shots until the next charge. It is also weatherproof against dust and water. Overall, the Canon EOS 90D is a strong and versatile camera. We recommend it for anyone who loves the shooting experience of DSLR. But let us know what you think. What DSLR camera from our list do you think is the best option? And for more awesome product reviews, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching!